You definitely can guess what am I going to do today because I know you know the location. Hello bros and welcome back. Today I'm going to try different TikTok recipes. Jegula was trendy years ago, but I'm just fashionably late as always. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Little cooking fit check for you. Also because I'm going out to buy some ingredients, I have not bought all the ingredients yet. But before that I want to discuss the menu. We are going to try 4 different recipes. I bhule gesi ami to list myself. Let me bring my phone. So the first dish is a cucumber salad.
Sometimes you need to eat an entire cucumber.
Dark chocolate strawberries, because that was literally the most watched video on TikTok for a while, and I wish I made this video tokhon, but main dish, it's a tuna poke bowl. I really like saying this, it's so cute. Finally, Tanghulu. Let's go do some shopping now. First I went to Walmart to get some products for my poke bowl. Then I got distracted by all the ramen collections. So soon there will be a ramen video. New one. Yeah. Then I found this chili oil. Then I found this Kewpie mayo. Then I saw the price tag and it gave me a headache. So I ran from the place as soon as I could and reached my nearest grocery store and bought strawberries and avocado, which broke. I am back and I am broke. I went out with the hope যে 1000 এর মধ্যে সব হয়ে যাবে, but I think 2000 এর উপরে খরচ হয়েছে. So at first I got this chili oil. This costed 485 taka. Then this green tea, I believe this is green tea, but ekhane honeycomb er chobi dewa, but okhane lokta bollo amake eta green tea. This looks like a green tea. I don't know. Okay, let's smell it. Oh, it smells like honey. Tastes like honey too. Did I just buy a honey syrup? Okay, it does say green tea. And we have a little guest with us. Wait. Then I got this spicy red oil. Isn't this chili oil? And it can make a great companion for mixed vegetables and pasta. Pasta chili oil, or is it not chili oil? I got some strawberries. I think I have to wash them very well. I remember watching a video যেখানে strawberry থেকে worms বের হচ্ছিল. 6 strawberries, 300 taka. They were telling me to buy entire packet that was 600 taka. But আমি 600 টাকা দিয়ে স্ট্রবেরি কিনি নাই, আমি 600 টাকা দিয়ে একটা অ্যাভোকাডো কিনছি. 1 avocado 600 টাকা. And then I bought this cheapest mayo. I am feeling Tanghulu. Tanghulu, grapes, orange, 2 strawberry. এর বেশি ইউজ করবো না, বাজেট নাই. So at first we'll take this skewer যেটার এক সাইড পুরো আছে already, because এটার মধ্যে আমরা আগে কিছু একটা বানানো ট্রাই করছিলাম. I'm pretty sure, I don't remember. Clean side আমরা ইউজ করবো. 4 grapes going in. 1, 2. I hope this will hold up. 3 and 4. Strawberryটা মাথাটা খুলে নিব. I know for a fact that this is going to be very, very tangy. I think this is Malta. I'm not sure though. Or is this an orange? I never knew peeling an orange would be this messy, and I believe this is not an orange. This is definitely a Malta. Oh no, this is orange. This is orange. I feel so dumb. This is definitely. This looks so pretty. Equal amounts of water and sugar, of course, tons of it. I don't know. Little story time for you while this is cooking. So the first time I tried to make caramel was when I was in grade 6 or 7, and I used to watch loads of Nigella's Kitchen and Gordon Ramsay shows, and ওখান থেকে আমি inspire হয়ে একটু caramel বানাতে চেয়েছিলাম. And যখন আমার water and sugar এই consistency-তে আসছিল, the first thing you shouldn't dip in a caramel is your finger. But that's what I did. I dipped this finger of mine to check it, and it burnt the shit out of it. I got scared, I jumped, and the entire thing fell all over my fingers, and this one got burnt very bad. So as a 6th grader, what I knew was that কখনো কিছু পুড়ে গেলে first thing you do is ঠান্ডা পানি ঢালো. So I ran towards my sink and ঠান্ডা পানি ঢাললাম. But guess what? ক্যারামেলে পানি দিলে সেটা শক্ত হয়ে যায়. তো আমার হাতের মধ্যে ক্যারামেলের লেয়ারটা একবারে আটকাই গেছিল. পরে আমার আস্তে আস্তে এটা খুলতে হয়েছে. So other parts weren't burned that much, but this part specifically was burnt a lot. So when I removed the caramel layer, like it hurt like a okay, পুরো চামড়া উঠে চলে আসছে. Yeah, that's my little caramel story, and I think this caramel is done. I'm already purai felsi. Wait, what? Don't. First we're gonna do the strawberry. This. How to do this? How to do this? And the oranges. I think I didn't make enough sugar syrup. Only the strawberry survived in the sashlik. Baki shop is gone. Let's taste it. I hope it's not. It's sweet, but it's not bitter, so that's good. They definitely don't look the best, but let's not judge a book by its cover. Let's taste it. I told you the strawberry is going to be very sour, and it's really sour. I don't like that. That was the best coated one because look at the orange, it looks very sad. Very sour. Feels like the sweetness ta karone sour ta aro beshi mone hocche. But this is something. Time for this. What is even this? Ek ekbare kheye felbo amra. Let's see. I like this. I think the grape flavor is working the best with this. I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10. Overall, 7 out of 10 experience. My entire floor is sticky now. I'm so exhausted already. It's embarrassing, but we're gonna cut some cucumbers. This is the cucumber in the question, and it's small. Size doesn't matter. Cutlet, everything is same. I'll try to cut it as thin as possible with a knife, of course. I'm not doing that thing. I don't want to lose a finger. Chopping is my passion. This works like therapy to me. But currently the skill is not skilling. Eto chicken pore ami katte partechi na. I am almost done with you guys. I'm almost done with tolerating you guys. Found a Tupperware thingy, and I think it looks close enough to the video. For this recipe, we're gonna be needing vinegar, soy sauce, and lastly chili oil, the spicy red oil. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So a little bit soy sauce, teeny bit vinegar. I don't like the smell of vinegar, so I'm not going to add much. I think a little bit more. The chili oil. Open it first. ASMR. A little bit of it from the bottom. Maybe more. A lot more because এটা থেকে mainly flavors আসবে, I guess. And I'll add a little bit of salt as well. Shut it down. Shake it up. So I believe it's done. Let's taste now. Looks good. Smells spicy. Spicy yet refreshing. Khub ekta pungent smell. I think it's from the chili oil. I'm using chopsticks because the guy uses chopsticks in the video. এতগুলা নিব না ফার্স্টে, অল্প অল্প। বিসমিল্লাহ। I'm going through so much. I feel like I've added way too much of everything, and I believe that has made it better. Because I'm a Bengali palate, it take a bit strong flavors prefer kore. But this is not bad. Now it's going on me. The flavor is quite strong. It's spicy, and the sesame seeds from the chili oil is giving a little nutty note to it. I think it will go very well with some ramen. I think I'm going to rate it 6.5 out of 10. এখন আমি আমার আম্মুকে খাওয়াই আসবো। My mother hated the salad, but we're gonna move on to the next dish. Poke bowl. We have a little technical difficulty here, that is আমি টুনাটা ডিপ থেকে বের করে নর্মাল ফ্রিজে রাখতে ভুলে গিয়েছিলাম, সো এখন আমার সারা দিন চলে যাবে। ওকে, one is out. এটা আমি এখন গরম পানিতে ভিজিয়ে রাখবো। Should I literally boil it? Will that help? You can say I have lost my mind, but I call it thinking outside of the box. And I think it's defrosted. It's very, very hot. Like me. It's not coming out. Amma! এটা খুলে কিভাবে?
এই এমনি করে পিছন দিকে টান দিবে।
আসে না, তার মানে
আমি বলবো
ভুল করছি খুলতে। This is the tuna, and I think my mom is talking to someone. So this is the tuna. This is aloha tuna, light meat tuna in vegetable oil, and I think it's from Indonesia, so it's halal, and I don't know how fish could be not halal, but এটা usually আমার মা টমেটো দিয়ে ভাজে, and it tastes so good. One of my favorite dishes of all time. আমি কখনো এটা র খাই নাই। বিসমিল্লাহ। Okay, it's not bad. It's not that fishy, tastes meaty, but smells bad. Texture chickener moto. I don't like the liquid, but the fish itself is not bad. So I think I'll drain it. যতটুকু লাগবে out of the can. This is the fanciest bowl we own, and it's so pretty. A day-old rice, little bit soy sauce, the tuna, I literally forgot about the thing that broke my bank, that is avocado. কিভাবে? Just first step মাঝখানে we're gonna cut it like this. And boom. Ta-da! I'll keep that part for later. I think tastes like nothing. Zero flavor. Why is it so expensive? এখন চামড়াটা খাবো। Maybe like this. Just and ultale. Yeah, looks good. Kinda. Some freshly cut avocado, little dash of mayonnaise and some black pepper. My camera wasn't recording, but it's looking good. I drizzled some chili oil as well.
Longer than a few minutes later.
It is definitely not 3 a.m. and I definitely have not cried myself to sleep and woke up after almost 6 hours. And my poke bowl is definitely not cold as shit, and I'm definitely not going to eat it like this. I think I need more soy sauce. Let's taste it like this first. If I don't like it, then I'll fry it on a pan. Okay. Bismillah. Tastes like sushi. Very similar sushi flavor. I like that. I wish I had seaweed. The seaweed they wrap kore khale, it would definitely taste like a sushi. The filling tastes very similar to a kimbap filling that I had in Thailand. Cucumber. Amar ekটু cucumber salad দিয়ে try kori. This goes so well with this. I think I've just made a very good entire meal. Just like me. This is so good. Love this. It's so good. Prana add kortechi na bhai, amar sponsor koro please. The juice doesn't go well with it at all. I think a healthier drink like my green tea would have tasted better with this. Now I know why Chinese and Japanese people and Korean people are so healthy, because they eat food that make them crave more healthy food. And I think I can only enjoy some very herbal earthy tea. Adding an egg will enhance the flavor more. Fuck avocado, আমি এরপর থেকে just egg add করব. I cannot afford this. Now it's time for our last recipe. That's a dessert. That is chocolate coated strawberries. আমি এগুলো ডিপে রাখলাম, so they are literally frozen. আমি এগুলো দেখুন স্মুদি বানাতে ইচ্ছা হচ্ছে for real. Should I bite it? Like this will make such a good smoothie. I'm going to fruits and I can freeze করে রাখবো. I'm going to use this dark chocolate, this Godiva one, and I'll melt it the way I melted it for my birthday video. একটা স্টিলের পাতিলের উপর। I just went through another very teeny amount of breakdown because my camera ran out of battery, and that like immediately clicked some sad hormones, which is very weird. But এখন আমরা chocolate coated strawberries banabo. I cannot even look at you properly. I'm just, this is our melted dark chocolate, this is our strawberry. We're gonna dip it like this. পুরাটাই কোট করব. That looks good. Oh, the fact that the strawberries are already frozen, it's helping. যে দেওয়ার সাথে সাথে জিনিসটা ফ্রিজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। See, মানে just দিয়ে শারিনে হালকা একটা লেয়ার অলরেডি ফ্রিজ হয়ে গেছে। Love that. আল্লাহ, এটা পুরাটা ফ্রিজ হয়ে গেছে অলরেডি। 30 সেকেন্ডসও হয় নাই। This is literally the end of the video and end of me. So let's taste it. Cold. It's so fucking cold. পুরো ব্রেন ফ্রিজ হচ্ছে। Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10, and this is the end of this one hell of a roller coaster ride. You will be seeing more food related videos because I love making them, even though it takes loads of work and time, but I really want to put that in now. So let me know if you've enjoyed it. If you did, then leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also other videos because vlogs o dibo, shobi dibo. Amar uni shuru hote jacche soon, so stay ready for more study vlogs. বাট এগুলোতেও প্লিজ লিভ লাভ বিকজ এগুলোতে এফোর্ট বেশি যায় স্টাডি ব্লগের থেকে, সো প্লিজ সাপোর্ট।